Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps on how you can waterproof your external or exposed waterproofing areas, for example, balcony and flat roof, by using 2 products from Bostik Smart Adhesive. This is Bostik Supercoat Fiber Flexible Acrylic Waterproofing Membrane, available in 5kg and 20kg pale, color grey and white. And this is Bostik Hydroment 425 high performance acrylic primer and mortar strengthening additive, which is available in 4kg and 18kg pale. Step number 1, surface preparation. Please ensure that all substrates must be clean, free from dirt and dust. All hairline cracks and minor pores must be fixed prior to applications. Do pay attention towards the corners and edges. If necessary, please do apply angle fillet. Step number 2, apply 1 layer of Bostik Hydroment 425 without any dilution as primer coat. This helps to improve the adhesion between Bostik Supercoat Fiber and the substrate. Leave it to dry for 1 hour. Step number 3, apply first layer of Bostik Supercoat Fiber at a rate of 1 kg per meter square and leave it to dry between 2 to 4 hours before recoating. We strongly suggest a minimum of 2 coatings and a full curing periods of 7 days before any tiling works or ponding tests. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you have a very good understanding on external or exposed waterproofing system. Wishing you all the best in your application. This is Gay, and I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC Home Improvement Show. Bye bye for now.